गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू सेल्फोर्स फाइटर्स यूट्यूब चैनल्स। आज हम देखते हैं सेल्सफोर्स इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस, जो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है और मस्ट पॉपुलर क्वेश्चंस है, जो आपको ये क्वेश्चंस इंटरव्यू के लिए बेनिफिट हो सकते हैं। तो क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट, what are the main benefit of the cloud solution like the Salesforce? Salesforce is the cloud SaaS platform, software as a service, which mean you access the it thought your web browser as a host to the desktop application. Cloud system have a major benefit over legacy computer system, that is require the hug amount of the server, the power of the run. This is way most application you access today in your the business or personal life will be the cloud based. Spotify, Gmail, and Office 65 and Dropbox. And some of the biggest benefit of the cloud computing solution include cost. Old on premise solutions require hug upfront investment in the infrastructures. You would need to be buy all the servers, install the and maintain the maintain them. With cloud computing, you are the externally outsourcing the maintenance of the structures of the provide such as a Salesforce upgrade. In, Instead of the managing the upgrade you to your the software is yourself. Cloud computing providers take care of this for you. Salesforce will upgrade your the solution to the latest version three times years. This has come with new features and the improvement to the system without you are having lift and fingers or pay additional fees. Mobility. Cloud computing tools can be accessed from the anywhere as long as you have a device and internet connections you can access and your any information that is stored in the Salesforce. This is a particularly handy if you travel frequently for work of the meetings. Next, a part of the CRM. What other product do Salesforce have in their the offering? Over the years, Salesforce has a built up to hug profile of other the product to the help survey. It is a customers. One of the most attractive selling point is the fact that they can seamlessly integrate with the search or the creating full 360-degree view of the customers. Some of the Salesforce other product include the marketing clouds, commerce clouds, experience clouds, and MuleSoft and Slack for all full the overview of Salesforce product. Check out of the link below. Next questions: can you describe the main difference between the sales and service clouds? Sales and service clouds both are act as the core CRM platform for the Salesforce will be used by the majority of organization. Will both share some similarities. They are the distinct distinct different the product that contain the different set of the features for the specific function. Sale cloud, this is a product the designing and support the business with of the sales and cycles, taking the potential customer on journey from the qualifying the themes thought the leads object to the converting them into the opportunity where the main sales cycles take the place. Salesforce also has a number of the other features to support. This is a process from the tweaking the forecasting. Service clouds, one of the other hand, help organization with the customer supports process, customer support process by emailing, calling, submitting online from the once. This case has been created in Salesforce again can be used features such as a knowledge base to the help find the answer to questions and the milestone to ensure service level agreement are met, as well as features like live chat to talk customer in the real times. Next questions: what is the Salesforce platform Post.com and how does it help organization? Once sales was the biggest selling the point of the platform provided previously for the force.com. This is the enables to you the create the powerful customizations on top of the Salesforce product, which of the allow you to the complete tailors the application you to your the organization exact needs. This is a made even more the attractive by the fact that you can create the customization with of the click, not the code. At basic level, this is allow you to create the custom fields and object store unique the information related to the user organization. Sorry, one of the most popular customizations possibility is automations. You can create the automation to the pretty much of the anything. See the Salesforce update fields, create records and send in emails. There are type of customization can be the saving user lot of time. Next question: describe how Salesforce CRM is used by organization. It is a core. Salesforce is a customization facing the CRM system. It is a used to records customer feed details and the organization interactions with the Salesforce most popular sales clouds. This is used to by organization the records until the interest from the customers, leads and follow thought sales cycles, tracking them thought the virus step to the pin there the business. On the other side of the points, you have a service clouds which designing to the support customer service from the whether the business service cloud help a agent deal with of the customer's queries as well as a solve issue. Sales and service the are success to main and product, but for the yes, Salesforce has been able to the support all kinds of the internal teams within the organization, the including the marketing analyst, portal integration, and the collaboration. Next questions: can you provide an example the custom app and can you the code build on the Salesforce platforms, taking the customization on level the future sets for the enables you to the build and custom the application on the platform, thinking about your have the sales service clouds as said with their the virus features designing for the certain purpose. This can be the recreated for team functions. If you are the familiar with of the threadhead, you may have already created five the custom application that will be give you the goal answer answer to these questions. If you are not, there are 5 ideas which are the application to help the internal team manage job. The application and finance system can be track the invoice. Goal the setting up can help the managers set the target and goals for their teams. Next questions: can you describe the difference between the declarative and programmatic the customization when it come to Salesforce customization? There are two main the type of the declarative and program. Declarative customization are the part of the click there. These allow non-developers to the build powerful customization by the using and desire to create the custom fields and automation and table of data. One of the latest development and Salesforce has a bought out of the MuleSoft and Compost, which allow integration into our the system to take our place using the only click. Next, programmatic customization on the other hand or built with of the OS with wheel. You can do almost anything will be with declarative customization. There is a limit to the more complex solution. Apex is a Salesforce coding the language and with may be needed to if the requirement is a particular complex. Lightning the declarative on the other hand in the Salesforce UI coding the language with can be the user creator complete custom screen layout in addition in the common that is must integration some level of coding the experience using the API will be the needed. Next, can they explain how you Salesforce release the work? As a SaaS platform, Salesforce device updated your the system automatically. They measure the release and upon the time of years with some other much similar smaller the update and deliver to in between. The major release are label spring, summer, and winter with Visa Salesforce. You the following of name and Salesforce intended to release, and each release will be have amount the features are updated including the across master Salesforce product. It is important to the stay the alert and around the release time the will Salesforce really and break the anything with the updating you the org. It's important to text everything and ensure that is a work as a expected. Next questions. What is the Salesforce Lightning the experience and how does it help organization? Salesforce Lightning was the primary new the UI that was released in the 2015 is it low selected UI and which was mostly unchanged since 2019 and brought into the 21st century. Salesforce center the design around model experience that is allowed. Salesforce admin and easily control layout of the page. This is a result of rise in the user productivity with the help of new features as well as an easy to negative UI. You have pretty much every single page of the Salesforce Lightning experience fully customized. You can customize the homepage and the records layout, and you can create the dashboards to your the to suit your the specific needs. Check out of the sales slideshow and believe to see evolution of the Salesforce. Next questions: can you describe and example sales process that component might the element? Sales cloud Salesforce most popular product. It is a more than likely that you will be need to the support. This is a product. This is a way it more important than ever to the be able to recommend and support the company sales process. When someone refer to sales process, they are the refer to the process that is a salesperson will be following the orders to the sale and product or service to the potential customer. This is the then translated into the leads, data, and the opportunity stage feeds at an extremely basic the level that is a cloud look like the following: qualify and discover, analyze and proposal, proposal negotiations, close one of the last. Here is an example below that is a include a full sales process from the entering the organization at a late stage all of the way to the thought of the is thought to the its closing. Example sales process, new working, waiting for customers and closure. Next questions: what are the object in Salesforce and how are you used? In normal, the database term and object the Salesforce simply at a table of data. At a table of the data will be contain virus feeds and into the run this feeds contain information like an email address, phones, numbers, or company names. There are two type of the objects: Salesforce standard and custom. Standard object are those that come out of the box with Salesforce product. For the example, in must Salesforce product and account and contact and come standard in the sales clouds, you will be get objects such as a lead and opportunity. Wheel is a service cloud and case and element will be the standard. Custom object one the other hand are the created by you. These are objects that can be created as with as your the foundations for the building custom applications. Next question, Salesforce has been the app store similar iPhone. What is this called? You can the name and some app you have used in the past. One of the Salesforce selling point of the application app exchange. This is a nearly enough similar functionality of the iPhone App Store and Google Play Store. You can install per but um, apps directly into the Salesforce ORG easily add additional functionality. Some of the most popular app include the signature and document generation and from the tools. There are near the certainly that any Salesforce company you join will be will be using at least on app exchange app. This is a way to important to the have a understanding of how to use. There are these applications check out of the some of the most popular app. This app in post believe that is remember that is must apps have free trial, so there is a no harm in getting the stuck in. Next question, uh, how are changes tested in Salesforce before and being the deploy of the production's fundamental concept of the IT system is that is a change of should be never of the made in production. They need to be tested in the safe environment and ensure that is nothing the break user the process and not distributed. Salesforce provide the features of now is a Salesforce. This is a reflect your the production configuration giving you safe environment to the text and implement new features. Sandbox come to different flowers and ranging from the developer's sandbox only certain you custom configuration all the way thoughtful come sandbox that is a contain all your the configuration and the data. Next questions. Can you describe some of the main difference between the Salesforce editions, professional and enterprise? Salesforce has a five different version and a production, including the external and professionals. Enterprise and the unlimited is the important of the understand some of the different at least from the high level. If you join an organization that is has lower tier than you are the use to the it money the reduce and functionality you can implement here are the five of the main different. Next question, how do you the more and changes the between the Salesforce environment once you can have a big implement and the tested and Salesforce standard need to be move to another the sandbox and implement and production the environment. Next question, what is the difference between the data and metadata? Metadata relates to the fields and configuration code and logic and page layout. Go to the building and information architectures and look and feel you are the Salesforce environment. Data released into records that is a business release on such as user and account and contact of name for you. One of the hand metadata is that is the data that is described or the next questions. What is the quick in the Salesforce? A lot of the object in Salesforce have owned by individuals. For example, account and opportunity content campaign must be honored by the user in Salesforce. However, there is a certain object where is a useful to be honored by Salesforce. Click and click the are like the holding access in the user CRM, where the records with for user to the pick them you of the assigning them to and honor and work of the president then. Next questions. What is the Salesforce customer 360? For 5 years now, Salesforce has been the trying to the create and suit product that allow user of the platform to see 360-degree view of the customers. This is the main to the that is a user Salesforce can see every interactions with of the customer from of the first inquiry that is a website to which product and they have a bought and what issue of the query there they have with there is a production. This will help business by the allowing them and server their the customer better the by knowing everything about them the ensuring the business are the working of single source and of single source of the truth. Next question, where can you view the Salesforce system and better schedule the maintenance? Salesforce has the three releases each year and occasionally ensured the maintenance such as the ORG maintenance different the server one every year's acquisition. Salesforce can be also the one for the limited period. You can access all the information the part, part schedule maintenance the down of the Salesforce trust. You can also sign up the for the notification to the kept up to date with of the other server status. Next questions. Can you the describe difference between the role and profiles roles and profile to the fundamental concept of the Salesforce platform? They are controlled what user can see and do one the problems. Profile control profile control what users can do on of the platform. For example, they control the what kind of the access right users has a to certain objects such as a create, read, edit, and delete. They are also control the individual permissions such as export, report, and create the dashboards, folders, modify all data. Roles on the other hand are the user control that what users can see. They are the designing to open the access through the hierarchy so that more senior members of the organization can see more records. For example, someone of the buttons and the hierarchy like an account the executive might be only able to see their own of the account, and how you the VP of sales US would be the able to the see all account only by the individual below the names. Next questions. What are the some of the information tools and available admin, and how can they be used to help business? Automation tools in Salesforce are the admin based friends. They are the designing to the easy to use and sorry business to automatic and complex process. This is in turn help user and more the productive, allowing them the focus reviewing the generating the activity and instead of manual the admin work. For example, once of the opportunity the close one you cloud easily created an automation to create case which of the promote customer access team and get easy touch with of the customer to being the onboarding. Example of the automation tools include workflow process builders and flow. Salesforce is correctly in the process of the returning both workflow and process builders. So flow will be the best automation tools is going to forward with Salesforce only the introduction new the features for these tools. Next question, what are the main type of the relationship you can create the between the object in Salesforce? Create a relationship between the Salesforce object and fundamental space. It is important to the create them this scalable way to ensuring you pick the right relationship of the right resolutions. Next question, describe of the difference between the page and layout records type. Next question, describe the difference between the page layout and records type. Page layout to records type are some of the first features that is a Salesforce professional need to the learn. They control the user's interface in various way to the and can be used in conjunctions with each other of create the customized extension for your users. Page layout the determine which feeds are displayed you user on records. Next question, describe Describe the five way to that account and contact information can be import into the Salesforce. Importing the data in Salesforce is vital skills and hold of the belt and also the important and understand the difference between the and main tools available. Next question, what is the junction object? Junction object is used to create an many-to-many relationships. So this is used to the main downward parents and chats to own to many relationship does not work. This is exactly how user opportunity product table and join the Salesforce. Check out of the articles below the more details. Next questions, what Salesforce product can be the use and provide the your partners with of the ability to create our leads and opportunity. Next questions, can you the name of the type of the Salesforce report and different between the themes? Next questions, what is the dynamic dashboards? Dynamic dashboards are fantastic with the create and personalized experience for you the users when viewing the certain the dashboards allow you to the data and dashboard to change to based you the who view. For example, you can you could have a single personal the sales and dashboards or sales where you was and different is the view of the dashboards and I would you only show there is a leads opportunity and account. This is work using the main filter the on all the dashboards. Next questions, describe the different way to the make and feeds and require Salesforce making the feeds and require the Salesforce is a great way to the ensure that is a correct information being the captures right out point of the process. Over time, the message the improve the data quality. Here are the five way to the make the feeds and required custom feeds. When you create the new custom feeds, you have to open the make of the required. This is the hard limit and will be the required when you are creating the records and inside Salesforce the updating uploading view or data loaders. Page layout, one of the Salesforce page layout is also the have to the options to the make fields and read only required. This is a consider soft limit. It is as it will be only apply to for apply if you are the creating new the records view the Salesforce interface, not when uploading view the data loaders. Next, validation rules. Finally, we have validation rules. They are such more advanced logic and can be the built only make feeds require under the certain conditions for opportunity stage and close one make the feeds and require the validation rules and have the limits. Thank you friends. I hope you आपको ये क्वेश्चन इंटरव्यू के लिए हेल्पफुल हो सकते हैं तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू सो मच. टेक केयर. बाय फ्रेंड्स.